Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can bring back desktop icons in your Windows 11 desktop screen back. Like you can see, I am not able to see recycle bin and my computer, or you can say this PC icon in desktop screen. For bringing back, let's go to the settings of a PC. After we go to settings of our PC, I then go to the left side on the personalization option. After click on personalization, then you have to go to the themes on the right side. After you click on the themes, below you will be able to see in the related settings column desktop icon settings. You have to click on this desktop icon settings. Then you can see a pop-up window appears here. Here you can add any of the icons that are necessary for your desktop window by checking, tick marking them. Like I need computer and recycle bin, so I have added. Then you have to click on apply here, then click on OK. After you click applied those settings, now you can see that my PC is having now recycle bin and this PC icon. I hope this worked for you too. Thanks for watching this video.